happening?
Mm, did you hear about the innovation at our school?
No, what's that?
Um, our school we're going to make a bell-free, zero waste, plastic free.
Wow, cool. But how are we going to charge them?
Well, first going to implement a recycling program and composting system to reduce waste. Well, encourage students to bring their own reduce bags, water bottles, and lunch containers.
That's great idea. What about the bell? How are we going to manage the transition between classes?
We're going to use a digital system then that sends notification at student phone
Uh-huh.
when the time to switch, they are going to notify. It will be more efficiency and reduce police noise.
I like it. And what about the plastic? How are we going to eliminate those?
Mm, we're going to replace all single-use plastic with biodegradable alternative like paper straw and cardboard containers. Well, also encourage students to avoid bringing plastic package to school.
That's fantastic. I'm excited to be a part of this initiative. Let's make our school a model for sustainability.
Furthermore, we will also conduct activities that support this program, such as workshops and waste management and the use environmental friendly products.
That's a great idea. How about student participation? How will we ensure that they will support this program?
Mm, I think that uh, we will from a student them that will help promote this program and oversee its implementation. We will also give awards to students who contribute to reducing waste and plastic use.
I think they will be very effective. What about the cost? Will this program require a large budget?
Mm, we have talks to sufficient funds for this program. We will also see sponsorship and donation from the community to support this program.
I fully support this program. I am confident that with cooperation and participation for all third parties, we can make our school a good example in environmental management.
Absolutely, we will also involve parents and the local community in this program. We will organize events and activities that promote environmental awareness and encourage people to take attention.
That sounds like a great plan. I'm excited to see the impact of this program on our school and the community.
Me too. Let's work together to make this program a success.